Sports on Air.
Very coach, maganda yung linaro niya kasi nga marami ka naka-rebound early in the game.
I'm trying to be aggressive kasi I'm independent Christian eh. So yung offense, sila na bahala siguro. Yung I don't care about the offense anymore. Basta may liber na akong tira, tinitira ko, din offensive rebounds. I need to be aggressive kasi nga, kung natalo kami today, so time na. And then luckily we forced game 7 and then sige, going 7 all out na. It doesn't matter kung sino makakashoot or kahit 0 points, basta maganda yung depensa, rebounding, and we do that.
Tingin mo mas better ang defense mo ngayon kasi nalimit niya sila si Christian nung first half eh. Nalimit mo to 4 points lang ata eh.
To be honest, it's hard to contain Christian the whole game. You're gonna stop yung parang 3 beses and then hindi mo alam kung susunod may stop mo siya. So, yun ang trabaho namin ni Bates eh. Depending talaga. Throughout the season, I don't care about my scoring. So, as long as nanalo kami lahat, kami panalo. Dahil naman yung team basketball ko eh. There's a lot of scorers sa amin. Alain, Nuno, CB, especially kudos to Bong kasi he came up big tonight. So, sana makakaulit ka next game. Then, hindi kami nag-realize sa isang player lang naman eh. Yung sino magpaganda laro sa amin, sinasunod.
Raymond, ito yung all throughout the series, lagi ka na foul trouble. Anong kailangan gawin para kailangan ka sa floor sa Game 7 sigurado? Paano mo maiwasan na hindi ka ma-foul trouble sa Game 7?
Alam mo, mahirap sabihin niya when you're guarding Jacket and Christian eh. So, kailangan mo, you need to put a body on them eh, di ba? Especially Christian is so physical. So, nakakapagod talagang bantayan. So, I don't care about my part kasi may 6 fouls ako, may 6 fouls si Brandon. Meron pa kami Toto sa bench, meron pa kaming Kyle Pascual, may Norbert pa kami. So, it was team effort siguro. And then, yun nga.
Habang umiinit ang mga laban sa inyong mga paboritong liga, mag-register sa 1xBet. Pwede nyo gamitin ang inyong browser o cellphone, mapa Android man o iOS. Gamitin nyo lang ang inyong mobile number o email at huwag nyo kalimutan ilagay ang promo code na SPONAIR. Kapag ginawa nyo yan, pwede kayo magkaroon ng bonus up to 7,000 pesos. Pwede nyo rin gamitin ang GCash or PayMaya account nyo para makadeposit or cash out. Simple lang, di ba? Kaya mag-register na sa 1xBet. Thank you for watching. Click the subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified with our latest videos.